I have a feeling.
Ready? Go.
Addie, they might have gotten.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Pull.
No. It's a double.
This is from great grandma.
Big Daddy.
She has small feet.
And I didn't
Still wears 3.
What?
That'd be fine.
Wow. Okay, let's not lose
And
that.
a candy cane.
No. And a candy cane. What the heck with the money, huh? Yeah.
Oh, that's so
They don't understand monetary value yet. Paper, what's this?
Look at those.
Nice.
Throw in the grow. The money. He just has the candy cane.
What do you say?
Just size, Celia.
Thank you.
I didn't do special cards that say grandkids could do
All the joys of the child.
Yeah.
I just went in and bought.
That could have been his only present and he would have been happy.
Attention.
What do you say to great grandma, guys?
Thank you.
Oh, you're so welcome.